Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today I'm out mowing some more of these lawns, trying to beat the rain, and it's hot out here. I tell you, it is very hot. But I'm gonna give y'all a view on some of the lawns that I'm gonna take care of. Let's take a look at this one right here. This one right here, I'm gonna be taking care of. You see, it's done got high. Normally, you know, these customers, they normally would let me know, but nah, I don't know. But this one over here, they'll call me and let me. They'll say, well, hey, listen, can I get on your schedule? And so that's what's been going on. So got a lot of customers who want to get on the schedule due to the fact that this is what happens. The lawn, you know, when it rains, it just grass just keep growing and growing and growing, and so then you got to come out here and put a lot of work in to try to get them down, you know, make it look good again. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna see if I can make this look good again here. And you know, sometimes the grass don't grow, and then sometimes when it's growing, you know. And that's why this on the call basis. And I understand people, you know, they're watching their money. It's like, well, the grass ain't growing, so we don't need them to come out. You know, and the grass is growing, so now we need them to come out. And, you know, which is, it's hard. I'd like to just put them on a schedule and just keep them on a routine basis, but you know how it is. Times are tight. Some people have the money, some people don't, and they want to get the lawns done, but, you know, it is frustrating, but what can I say? Then I always have these other people that sign up for service, and then all of a sudden everything is good. You know, you come in and you know, you cater and they wanted to buy weekly. Then all of a sudden you show up and the lawn is mowed and they don't call you, don't say nothing, and until you contact them and find out what's going on and all that. And so that takes more of my time to do that. I gotta call them. Oh man, yeah, you just don't know some of the headaches and problems I go through dealing with this, and man. So it ain't nothing easy, you know. I mean, and you know, I have these things organized. So it's a nightmare. But anyway, y'all, I'm just giving y'all a quick little view of what I'm finna work on here, and I'm gonna see if I can get this here all mowed up. Got Cody already trimming up everything over here. As you can see right here, got him working there. So I had to go and pick him up, you know. So I stay on the go. You know, when you have help, you got to go pick them up, then you got to go carry them back. And, you know, it's work. It costs money. You burn gas. I just filled up this truck. That was $80 to fill it up. I was like, oh, man, how long that's going to last? I don't know, maybe a day or two. Then I got to fill up again. Well, if I don't burn up 80 today, you know, because I'm running. But anyway, y'all, let me get the skag mower down and see about getting in here and getting this here all mowed up. All right, y'all, stay tuned now. This took some time. You know, anytime you're dealing with some high grass, you have to go over it a number of times to just get it leveled off, you know, try to level it up and everything to make it look good. And so that takes a little time. So let's take a look at it. Okay, this here's the way it looks after you know, taking and mowing it and everything and trying to get it all leveled up here. So got this one here all taken care of, front and back, mowed and all. And so we look on the other side over here, was able to get that one taken care of too. So let's take a look at it. Okay, here we go, right here. Okay, this here is the way this one here looks after mowing it front and back, trying to you know, just get that high grass, getting it down, and you know, try to get it in control and all. So front and back. So got that one all taken care of. So now I'm finna head to another one, see if I can get another one done. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Just showed up at another property, finna take care of my front and back. Let's take a look at it. You can see the condition that it's in. It's rather high, but we're finna get it down low again so that it'll look good. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick view of the way it looks before we begin to work on this here property. So now we're finna get busy, not gonna waste too much time on trying to get this one here all taken care of. So we're just gonna jump in here and see if we can get it all mowed right quick. Stay tuned though, I'll be back soon. Okay everyone, I'm back. I just finished up this here property. Got the front all mowed up, got the back all mowed up. Let's take a quick look at it and then I'm gonna head out of here. But this here is the way it looked after mowing it and everything. So I was able to get both front and back all taken care of. So finna see about heading to another one. It's hot out here right now. I'm sweating, but I gotta keep pushing. Y'all stay tuned. I'm finna head to the next one. Okay, y'all, I just arrived at another property. Finna get this one here all taken care of. Let's take a look at it. Okay, this is the way it's looking. After 2 weeks of mowing, the grass is up again. And I'm finna see if I can get it down low again, front and back. So I'm gonna mow on this here side, get that all trimmed up right there. And that's gonna be it on this one. So front and back. So I'm gonna get the skag down and let's get it. Stay tuned, y'all. Okay everyone, just got this one here all finished up, mowed the front and the back, and I'm gonna give y'all a quick look at the way it looks. This here's the way it looks after taking and mowing it and edging up everything and trying to get everything all blown off and everything there. So we got this one taken care of. I'm gonna come back and trim these little tree branches that are hanging. The customer asked me could I do it, and I said, well, sure. I'll come back and get those, but I gotta keep moving for right now. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. Let me get on to the next property.
Then come back. We both come back and weed eat it.
Nah, just start weed eating first, and I'm gonna get the skag down and mow it. By the time you get through trimming, I should be through mowing, and we can blow this and get out of here.
Trimming's gonna take a while.
Yeah, it'll take a little while. All right, y'all, we just showed up in another property. Finna get this one here all taken care of. Got to trim out the ditch. I'm gonna show you right here. See, got to trim the ditch out. It's a little wet, but just got to trim that out. A little bit of growth right here, but we're gonna get that all taken care of. See if we can make it look good right quick. It's gonna take a little time, but we're gonna get in here and get this here all taken care of. So we're finna have it. I'm gonna have coating on the trimmer. So I'm finna get the skag down and finna put it in the wind and see if we can get this one all taken care of. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick view of this here property here that I'm finna take care of. So I'm gonna see if I can get it all taken care of right quick, y'all. So stay tuned, and I'll try to give you a little after view of the way it looked after I got through with it. All right, y'all. Okay, everyone, got that one all finished up, and I'm hot and wet again. But this one, it took some time, so I had to mow it, clean out the flower beds, trim the hedges, and got that taken care of. We're gonna take a look at it right quick. This is the way it looks after I took and done all of that. A little wet in the ditch, wasn't able to get all of that trimmed out due to all the water that's in there, but I'll be back. next week, hopefully, if I don't get any more rain. But now I'm on my way to see if I can get another one done. Let's go.